Welcome. This video will guide you through using the navigation system in your Tesla Model 3. We'll cover how to enter destinations, plan routes, and customize your navigation experience. Tesla's navigation leverages real-time data and AI for efficient and accurate routing. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating like a pro. Let's start by exploring the navigation interface on your Tesla's touchscreen. The system helps plan routes with charging stops for your electric vehicle. Real-time traffic data helps you avoid congestion and find the best routes. Your Tesla uses GPS and cellular connectivity for accurate navigation. Get ready to explore all these navigation features in the upcoming sections. There are several ways to enter a destination in your Tesla Model 3 navigation system. First, tap the navigation icon on the 15-inch touchscreen to access the navigation menu. You can then type the address directly into the search field that appears. Alternatively, use voice commands by saying navigate to location or using natural language like take me to the nearest coffee shop. The system also integrates with your contacts and calendar events for easy destination selection. Tesla's voice assistant uses advanced natural language processing for accurate interpretation of your commands. Once you've entered a destination, the system auto-generates a route using real-time data on traffic, accidents, and road closures. Before you start driving, customize your route preferences via the Tesla mobile app. You can choose to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries. For electric vehicles, the system optimizes for battery range and suggests supercharger stops along the way, providing estimated arrival times. Tesla uses its own proprietary map data, which is crowdsourced and updated in real time via user data. This ensures accuracy and responsiveness. The maps prioritize safety by highlighting high-risk zones. The system relies on cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity for live updates and dynamic rerouting based on changing conditions. This contributes to the reported 98% accuracy rate for route predictions. For electric Model 3 owners, the navigation system seamlessly integrates with the supercharger network. When planning a long trip, the system automatically routes you through supercharger stations, optimizing for charging speed and battery levels. This can save significant time compared to manual planning. You can also view real-time supercharger availability and charging speeds directly on the navigation screen. Tesla's navigation system integrates with Autopilot for hands-free driving on highways. While Autopilot is engaged, the system automatically steers, accelerates, and brakes within its lane following the route set by the navigation. Autopilot uses advanced sensors including cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors to maintain safe distances and adapt to traffic conditions. The system adapts to live traffic, weather, and road conditions, but requires constant driver supervision. Always keep your hands ready on the wheel. For long trips, Autopilot seamlessly follows navigation routes, optimizing for safety and efficiency while you monitor the road. Here are some tips to enhance your Tesla Model 3 navigation experience. Regularly update your Tesla software through over-the-air updates to ensure you have the latest features and map data. Before long trips, pre-plan your route in the Tesla app to customize preferences and review supercharger stops. Use voice commands for quick and easy destination entry. Pay attention to real-time traffic updates and be prepared for dynamic rerouting. Finally, always drive safely and be aware of your surroundings. The future of Tesla navigation focuses on deeper AI integration and augmented reality features. Advanced AI will create predictive routing that learns from your driving habits and historical data, making route suggestions more personalized and efficient. Augmented reality overlays on the windshield are already in beta testing, displaying navigation information directly in your line of sight without looking away from the road. This technology integrates with smart city infrastructure for real-time updates and enhanced safety. The ultimate goal is a seamless, highly efficient navigation experience that prioritizes safety and convenience through continuous AI advancements and immersive augmented reality displays.